fun, and we would be having some fun outside today because the weather is just perfect.
Yeah, close enough to perfect, right?
Yeah, the clouds have moved in so fast, and we've got rain that's starting to move in, and I will show you that here in just a second. Let's look at the live view from atop Red Mountain, though. We had lots of sunshine, just a gorgeous day, and then, well, the clouds, as expected, started to move in, and we have gone all cloudy. 75 degrees right now, winds out of the north-northwest at 9, dew point at 27, and that is a real interesting thing. That's a really good way to measure how much moisture the atmosphere can hold. And when it's in the 20s, it's difficult. That means the air is dry and it's a little more compact, so it doesn't have the ability to hold as much in the way of water. But that being said, if you have rain like this, when it starts moving in, that can help to moisten the atmosphere up, and that can overcome the dew point situation. But just a lot of action to our south, and as I mentioned earlier, even a tornado warning now in southeast Mississippi. But across our area, we are just looking at good old-fashioned rain, and this is a light rain that continues. But the real action will stay to our south, and the reason being is we've got a frontal boundary which is stretching now across South Alabama, and that is what is looking to be the focal point for most of these storms, and that's why all of these storms are tracking quickly towards the east. What we have is actually just overrunning moisture, and those showers have now moved into Tuscaloosa, back into northern Greene and Hale counties, back up into Walker County, Fayette County. Some of this may not necessarily be reaching the surface, but overall the atmosphere is getting a little more prepared. Here are some of the places that will get a little bit of light rain: Smith Lake, Jasper, Birmingham, the Mercedes plant, Centerville, Brent, especially in areas we see the yellow as well as the orange. But on the back side of this, look at some of these temperatures. Now 60 in Jackson, while we're looking at 79 for Montgomery, 75 in Birmingham. And our Storm Track Futurecast through the remainder of tonight, it's not picking up on this rain. It's having a tough time gathering all of that moisture. So that being said, we will have at least a shot at showers, especially west of I-65 for tonight. So grab the umbrella and take it with you just in case. And then tomorrow morning, we're looking at dry conditions, but the clouds will still be in place. Then we'll start to set the stage for another wave that will pass through here. Hit and miss showers midday Friday. You'll see those showers, right place, right time. And then even a few heavier rain batches, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder, mainly to the south of I-20. This is round 2. Round 3 will get here as we get into Saturday, and that will be the final round before we start to wrap up the rain coverage across central Alabama for at least a few days. Temperatures into the 40s and 50s tonight west of Alabama. Again, that chance of showers a good bet. Here in East Alabama, may not have to deal with as much in the way of rain, but overall temperatures will continue mild. And hang on, we're about to have a little shot of some cool air back in here to start spring of all times. Here's your Storm Track 7-day. 40% coverage of rain tomorrow, 50, maybe even higher on Saturday. Then that cooler air starts to move in, and we'll see temperatures dropping down a pretty good bit. Jim?